I would like to help. Any advice to someone who's like, I'd like to actually start to be a, kind of a all around champion as well. Any advice for, cultural guidance or whatever, the idea of being like, we want to contribute back to the community. What would you tell a trucking company is asking you about that?
Yeah. Well, I'd say if you want to be a all around champion, you should come to Lubenow companies.
Okay,
That's what I'd say first and foremost.
awesome.
But it's sometimes giving, I think giving back can feel daunting, right? There's a lot of causes out there. There's you're just kind of thinking about where do I go? Where do I put my time? Where do I put my resources? And I think you just got to start with something that's close to you. There's so many great things, and you don't have to be over specific. If it's something as broad and well known as something like the YMCA, dedicate some time to it, whether it's your own hours, whether it's some funds, if you're interested in certain religious organizations or, if you've got a very specific thing near and dear to your heart, just reach out, again, whether it's just donating a percentage of what you make, whether it's volunteering your time, people want help. That's what nonprofit causes are there for. They want to help the community. And I think it just takes that first step of reaching out and saying, how can I help? And from there, I think things really fall into place. So I would say don't overthink it. Find something you're passionate about, give back, and again, I think it's part of our responsibility in the community to recognize that we've been fortunate to be where we are, and we have to give back to sort of respect how much this community has carried us up.
That's awesome.